กุมชิบันตาบันกันเตียวอีกคนสำลาจงกจลากิบดอนยากซับกะพองนักบันตาบันเป็นเปาชักกะประเทศลิงบากะจิงอักพลิมกะ Kelvin Cinema Festival กะละมีเบียงสขมัดซะชิเซียนปัดนักบันตาบันเป็นลองอีกฟิล์ม Festival ปอกะนองบา Shillong ดักจิงกะชันลังจงกะตนัด Arts and Culture but Fraternity Arts Cine Entertainment Shillong Habay kran bekilat patay kubor na kalyang jong Dominic Sangma ubade u General Secretary Jongka Fraternity Arts Cine Entertainment Shillong ulaong Bayaka Film Festival an pynlong hakilai sngi kanthi bakan thop na ruka khandai tarik haduka khatwai tarik ubnai Naiwieng mentau snam bat halor ka Film Festival kan sedon ruka jinga kop halor ki film lengkot ya ka ba an sepen ipat ba ha ususo tham auditorium Shillong
The border issues the problem of borders are understood by people who live in border and I feel that we are so far away from the central, from the capital of the state, and then I think people should really needs to go there, see with their own eyes, with focus, and then see what are the story that they can bring out from there. I think because we're also starting this from the first time, so we wanted to start with something that we really know. With our own heart, with our own eyes that we have seen. So that's the reason we choose this space. See, basically this competition is like a village focus. Like we are doing this for for this time we are doing in that particular village, Like we can't, this is also suppose if you have a village, a focused village, some sort of focus is being given there. Maybe next edition we have a different issues, because then we can focus on that. So it is also making people, the filmmakers or the audience know about that particular issue rather than bringing from here and there all the time. I think it's like that is the reason why we have like a focus village. So we're going to do that in every edition. Be it for the border issues, be it for, it could be the beauty of that place, it could be the uniqueness of that place. So we will decide, the committee will decide that on what thing we should choose maybe in next edition. That's our whole idea. So basically this is open to all the filmmakers of the state. What they can do is actually go to the place there, and then they can do research, they can write a script, they can make a fiction film on there, or even they can do a documentary film on there, and they can maybe, if they go out and look out for stories, I'm sure there will be lots of stories that they'll be able to find, And then what happened that I think by doing that, the filmmakers themselves will open up to the space, to the ideas, what's happening there, and then it will reach out to more audience. And then we also going to screen the winning films in our festivals. So we also going to that space. We have like 30,000 is the prize money that is given for the filmmakers for 5 minutes film. So it's kind of how to say that educating maybe the audiences and the filmmakers of that space. I think it's a small step, of course, but I think that this small step will grow bigger and bigger with the years that we're going to do the festivals. Yeah, see, this is open for any kind of camera and equipment. We have no restriction on it. I think the beautiful thing about age is also that you can shoot a film with your phone, with a small camera. I think that is the reason why anybody can capture a moment, So we are not restricting that. Okay, only with that kind of certain equipment you need to shoot a film. That's kind of a restriction. But anybody who have a small cameras, who have a phone, they can go out and shoot. For us, what's important is that they should be able to tell the story of this space.